Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. It really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a really cool duffel bag that is perfect for travel. We picked this up for our kiddo who goes to a summer camp, and it keeps him very, very organized. It is by a company called Samsonite, which is known for making great luggage. This is the Andante two-wheeled duffel bag. The color I have here is the moss green with black accents. So let's go over the reason I like this thing. So right off the bat, the inside storage compartment, it can hold approximately 30 inches by 15 inches by 15 inches. Now the whole duffel bag on the outside is 34 inches by 18 inches by 15 inches. So it's a really, really good size. Now on the one side, on the bottom, you have two wheels, which makes it easy to wheel around and move. You can also carry it by the handles on the top or the handle on the side. So it has multiple ways to carry it if you are utilizing it for like airport travel or anything like that, but the wheels make it easy to move. Now the handle itself does lock, which is a nice feature. So you don't have to worry about it accidentally coming out. You just simply press the button and then you can extend it and then wheel it. Wheels glides really, really, really easy. Now another reason I like this thing is because of how well it keeps one organized. So on each end, you're gonna have two little pouches here that are great for putting either like your shoes in or anything wet, because they're kind of wet rated pouches. So let's say you have a wet swimsuit, you can toss them in here and they'll be able to dry out really, really easy. They're really big, so you can easily put a pair of tennis shoes in here. On each side, you have these two pockets to utilize. Now, in the middle, you have a nice big pocket, which is where you can put in all your general clothing. Once again, everything is super easy to wipe down. It's a big, wide opening, so it's really easy to see everything you have and be able to quickly grab it. Now, the third and final kind of area, which is great for like camp because you can put down here towels and the things that maybe you don't necessarily need to grab, is the bottom compartment. So you simply open this up and you have a whole bunch, another big section that you can easily organize, have towels down here as you need. It does have a liner, so that way you can easily clean it out as it gets dirty or anything like that. So they really thought about how easy it is to store everything and utilize. Now all the zippers are heavy duty zippers, so they're really easy to open and close. They also have little hook clasps at the end, so when they come together, if you need to for like travel and whatnot, you can lock them for security purposes. You can do that on the main compartment, on the bottom, and the main compartment in the middle. The two side flaps do not lock, so just keep that in mind. Now, I do want to point out the one side compartment also has another handle, so you really have a handle on every single end of this thing. But very, very easy to use. Everything is made out of a water-resistant polyester. Super easy to load in and out of cars because of all the ways the handles are, which is a great aspect of it. The U-shaped design makes it super easy to pack. As I mentioned, you have wide openings, so it's easy to get everything in there. And more importantly, it's easy to get things out. So if you're storing your clothing in here, you're not digging through and creating just a mess on day one if you're basically living out of the duffel bag for several days, which is really, really great. But overall, it holds up. The fabric is really nice and tough. It's perfect for travel, and then when you're not utilizing it, it folds down pretty flat, so you can easily slide this in a closet or underneath a bed. And then it's also reinforced on the bottom when you are sliding it around too. So overall, if you are looking for a great travel duffel bag, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.